Welcome to the Compuware Workbench Xpediter Eclipse Cross-LPAR Debugging module. Here you will learn about debugging programs on LPARs where HCI is not installed. The Compuware Workbench is connected to a host LPAR using HCI, the Host Communications Interface. Any job or transaction submitted from the workbench may run on any LPAR as long as Xpediter is running on that LPAR. In this example, for Xpediter TSO batch debugging, the Xpediter Eclipse host connection LPAR is CW09. Looking at the execution JCL specified, we see that there is a job parm statement to run on LPAR CW01. Similarly, for Xpediter CICS, one host connection LPAR is specified, but any region running Xpediter may be used. Note that the debug view now includes region and host information for the session, with Apple ID for Xpediter CICS and host for Xpediter TSO. This concludes this module. Thank you.